Guys, I am giving away 3 Visa gift cards for $200, $100, and $50. To find out how you can win, watch the video until the very end. What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hackbuster channel, guys. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're gonna try a requested toothpaste life hack. So let's get started. From a very scratched CD to looking like brand new with toothpaste, I don't think that is realistic. If anything, the toothpaste should make more marks on the CD because a lot of toothpaste are made out of diatoms, which is microorganisms that have a rigid structure, so when we brush our teeth, they actually scrape the color off our teeth to give us a perfect Colgate smile. Let's see if that hack is realistic or not. So guys, as you can see, this CD has some marks on it. So I'm going to do what they showed and see if this toothpaste can make this CD looks perfectly new as they showed. Alright, so as you can see, that didn't do anything at all. I still have marks all over the CD. It actually doesn't look that bad in the camera, but trust me, in real life, it is a lot worse. But I have a layer of toothpaste on my CD right now, so I'm highly concerned if my CD is actually going to work at all. This hack is busted. On to the next one. Man, that shoe looks fresh. If that is realistic, I'd be super happy because I hate it when my shoes get dirty. And this one actually have a lot higher chance of being realistic because, as I said, toothpaste have diatoms which will help scrape off the stains of the shoe. So let's do some cleaning. Alright, so both of these shoes are about the same level of dirty. So let's see after washing it if it looks brand new. Alright, so I've been watching this one for probably about 5 minutes right now, and as you can see from the comparison, this one took off, I would say, about 40% of the stain, which probably the 10% of it came off just by the water and by brushing. So I actually don't know how much the toothpaste actually helped, but does it look same as they showed in the video? Absolutely not. That one was definitely another brand new pair of shoes. Is this something you can do to wash your shoes? Absolutely yes, but I think you probably will get better results by using dish soap rather than toothpaste. So I would say this hack is plausible because comparing to their results, it's definitely not the same, so that part is busted. But as for cleaning a shoe, this is a plausible one, so you can try it out yourself. Let's see our next genius hack. Alright, so with this one, I think the result is going to be very similar to the shoe. It is going to take off a lot of the stain from the headlights, but it's not going to be completely clean and new looking as they show. So I think this one is going to be plausible as well. From my prediction, this one is not going to look as new as they show in their video. So let's see what it actually looks like. Alright guys, so as you can see, this headlight right here is pretty dirty. So I'm going to do exactly what they did with the paste and the sponge. I'm going to try to clean it and see what it looks like before and after. So this is the after view. I'm going to do a comparison of this light versus the other light when it gets much more darker. So this one right here is not cleaned and this one right here is cleaned. So as you just saw, as predicted, it did clean, but not as clearly like brand new. Comparing to the one that was not cleaned, there was significant differences in the one that was cleaned with the toothpaste. So I'm going to say this hack was also plausible. So as you've seen from all the 3 life hacks that we did today, the first one with the CD was completely busted. That one did not do anything at all other than making the CD more blurry and filled with toothpaste, which probably ruined the CD. But the shoe and the car both had similar results. Both of them were plausible. It did clean somewhat, but not as good as they have shown. So this is exactly what we do in this channel, guys. We put random life hacks from the internet to the test to see if they are actually realistic and reliable as they show in their video. Okay, so now that you have watched the whole video, as I trust you did, to enter for a chance to win those 3 Visa gift cards, first of all, you have to like this video, subscribe and press the bell notification. Also, you're going to have to share this video in your Facebook and Instagram. Definitely don't forget to tag me. Here's my Facebook and here's my Instagram. Do not forget to like the Facebook and follow on the Instagram. To decide who will win which amount is completely up to you guys. For example, the person that is most active and share the video the most often has a higher chance of winning a higher amount. Also, be creative, guys. Take a picture of yourself or record a small video talking about this channel. That will also increase your chance of winning and winning a higher amount. There is no deadline of when this contest will end. This contest will end when this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. So, as soon as you get to 1,000 subscribers, you guys will win the gift cards. I'm not giving away any specific products because I want my subscribers to have the freedom of buying whatever they want. So, best of luck, guys. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell notification so you know every time when I post a video, and definitely don't forget to share it so your friends and family also knows which life hack is real and which one is fake so they don't waste their time and money recreating them. Also, if you like this video, stay tuned because the next video is going to be part 2 of toothpaste life hacks, and trust me, the next one will surprise you. To see the last video, click right here. To see another video, click right here. And definitely, most importantly, click right here on my face to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.